If someone gave you 10 million naira, what would you do with it? Maybe build a house, buy a car, or even go on vacation. Well, here is a smarter idea. Turn that 10 million naira into a steady monthly income of 150,000 naira passively. In this video, I will show you exactly how I would build a reliable income stream using a simple strategy that any Nigeria can replicate. And it's not a Ponzi scheme, it's not a betting, it's a legit investment. Now, let's break it down how I would invest this money. It will be 70-30. 70 goes into federal government savings bond, while 30 goes into money market fund. The 30% is 3 million, right? But the 70% is for federal government savings bond. But the thing is, I will not invest it at once. I'll have to split it into three. So now let's go deep into the 7 million savings bond strategy. The federal government pays quarterly. So instead of me to invest that 7 million at once, I will split it into three, which means I will invest 2,333,000 in month one, 2,333,000 in month two, and the same in month three. Assuming the interest rate is 18%, which is what we have seen recently in savings, federal government savings bond for 3 years investment, I should be able to receive 105,000 every quarter. Because each tranche pays 105,000 naira every 3 months, and I've cleverly arranged it for, let's say, January, February, March, the simple. So by the fourth month, if I invest for 3 consecutive months, by fourth month, I should be able to receive 105,000 naira per month. I have a detailed video on this. Federal government savings bond, the strategy, you can check it out. By the fourth month, I should be able to receive 105,000 monthly. It's like clockwork. That's how income machine works. Why spreading matter is because when you spread your money, because federal government savings bond pays every quarter. So if you invest the 7 million at once, you have to wait every 3 months to collect, like, let's say 315,000. But when you spread it like that, it's a clever way to earn coupon each month. Now, let's talk about the 3 million naira that I would put in money market fund. At least I should be able to get 20% interest each year. So because I'm putting 3 million, let's do the math. 20% of 3 million naira is 600,000 naira. So this 600,000 naira, you split it for 12 months. That's how much? That's 50,000 naira per month. So, but the good thing about money market fund is that you see everything on your dashboard. So they pay daily. You see how your money is growing slowly. And if you choose to reinvest it, some companies allow you to reinvest at the end of each month, while some you have to wait for 6 months before they reinvest it. Why didn't I put all the money in money market fund since money market fund is over 20%? The answer is simple. One, money market is not stable. Money market fund is not stable. There's possibility that before that 3 years, the rate will go down. But there's also possibility that it will go up. And two, I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket. Three, in this investment strategy is all about safety. And the advantage of putting it in money market fund is because of liquidity. If there's an emergency that 3 million can solve, you can just pull it out. So to sum it up, the federal government savings bond will be giving you 105,000 naira a month, while the money market fund will be giving you roughly 50,000 naira a month. That's 155,000 naira. That's a solid income without stressing about market condition, whether the stock price is going up or down. Well, that's a solid investment if you ask me. I chose this strategy because of, number one, low risk. Both investments are very low compared to, when it comes to risk. The federal government savings bond is backed by the full faith of Nigerian government, and they hardly default in paying coupons, while money market fund is relatively low risk investment because their underlying assets, what they invest in is usually maybe like Treasury Bills and co. Number two is liquidity. Like, let's say if you need urgent cash, many mutual fund, if you just redeem your money within 24 hours, sometimes even the same day, you redeem your money, then you will be credited. Number three is reliable income. For instance, the federal government savings bond, you already know that every month you will get 150,000 naira. Let me give you a secret. This is how we run our expenses in my home. We invest this in and then we get it monthly. Whether your job pays or not, you know that the bills are sorted. This approach is perfect for those who don't want to gamble with maybe stock or cryptocurrency. Let's say stay at home moms, retirees, or people that just really want something to keep sorting their expenses and not put pressure on themselves. Many people who already have a business set aside or a job set or something that just want something else that will help them to run the expenses of their home or maybe pay their staff, something like that. Depending on how much you want to invest, you can get even higher interest. Also, let me quickly share what I want to do with 10 million naira. The first one is that I will not leave the 10 million naira idle in a savings account that earn, let's say, 5%. I mean, it's not possible. Then secondly, I will not fall for Ponzi scheme that promise ridiculous amount, let's say like 30% in 1 month or 40% in 1 week, or to double that money in just 2 months. Then number three is that I will not spend it all in liabilities. I like earning passive income, so this one is even out of it. I know that I will not spend it all in liabilities. And the final one is that money, I will not invest all the 10 million naira in one platform or one investment. I have to spread it to minimize, to spread my risk. And before you come for me and say who in his right mind will keep 10 million naira and don't know what to do with it, I have seen a lot of people leave like even 50 million in their account without, maybe just savings account, and without investing it. So this approach will make your money work for you instead of letting your money sleep in a savings account. So yes, let me know what you think of this video. Do you think that you will invest like 10 million naira and watch your interest, your monthly coupon flow, or would you rather consider maybe tracking it a little bit, investing a higher amount? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.